Hi everybody, welcome back to tutorial number 7. Let me fix this a little bit. There we go. There we go. Yep, Curly Sue back in the house. Got a friend, got a few friends actually. Very, very stressful, understaffed at work, and underpaid. But tutorial number 7, let's get into this. So here is tutorial number 7 of the Subversive Mothership 3 Palette. The last video or tutorial I did, I definitely really focused on the Gigabyte. But today, I kind of want to do something. The next few videos, let's talk about layering with this. So I think today I want to layer the this like gunmetal one and maybe do that on top of it and maybe smoke out the edges with the black. We shall see. I want it very editorial, very, just boom in your face. I just got done shaving. My skin is so irritated right now. But let me go ahead and prep my face. Let me go prep my eyes, and then we'll get into this tutorial. All right, so eyes are prepped with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter eyeshadow primer, and I hope these are pretty even. I'm pretty sure. So I think the first shade I'm gonna go in with is that iridescent. This guy, that one first. And begin to just go ahead and kind of like go and put down my brow and then onto the lid, so there's a little bit more of a smoother transition. Oh god, that's just so beautiful. This is like her formulation and color story and everything and her textures, like you just have to see in person. Camera doesn't do it justice. Let's go put it on the lids too, so we have that in there. But yeah, it's just so beautiful. All right, now that is on. Let me go ahead and floof it out. Floof. Go with the blush brush actually, and just go ahead and floof it out. Perfect. Now let us get into this gunmetal. Going ahead, starting off the flat brush first. And just putting that all over the lid. I don't know if I should put it on with my fingertips. Let's just start off with the brush first and really begin to build it up to the intensity we want. Perfect. And I think I want the drama just to be on top with this look today. Don't want no drama. No drama. So much drama for your mama in this look. Because I've just been feeling inspired to do like very editorial, runway, need to run to Walmart kind of look. Or Albert Heijn, just to get some. Albert Heijn is a grocery store here in the Netherlands for my English American folks who don't know. Perfect. So let's just go ahead and layer that as much on as we can. Let's take some. Oh, okay. Finger it is to really get that impact. And just to really build the intensity. Now going in with a fluffy brush and just go ahead and start smoking out the edges. Well, not blending out the edges, smoking out basically. Literally just all about layering. And I think with Pat McGrath eyeshadow palettes, it's just so much fun to just play with layering and just adding layer upon layer, especially with the Astral shades, just to get such a different type of dimension and look from these palettes than your standard type of look. So that's kind of like the whole purpose of my palette focus, just so we could play together and just begin to explore more. Perfect. Now, going in with that one. Oh. A whole new world. Oh my god, this is just transcending to a whole different... Oh, I feel like a villain. I feel like a James Bond villain mistress type of thing going on here. And I'm here for it. I am so here for this. This is just... It's like some Evel Knievel kind of look going on here. Perfect. Going in back with that brush and just... Oh, sultry, smoky. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Now, going in with the liner brush into the Xtreme Black. Let's add this drama. And just really begin to add a very big wing, actually. Just making it as high as possible. Oh, building that drama. Build the drama. Then going in with that fluffy brush and just begin to blend it out. Like I want a very high arch, not high, but very predominant wing look with this one today. We are gonna play because at the end of the day, it's just makeup and you can always take it off. And this Xtreme Black, what it's already been like 6 minutes and we're already like creating a look. And I feel like with a lot of Pat McGrath's shadows, it really depends on the eyeshadow primer too. So important on so many levels to have a really good eyeshadow primer. Not a concealer, eyeshadow primer. The only time I ever use a concealer for an eyeshadow primer is if I forget my eyeshadow primer. But I do that more for editorial, like photo shoots, editorial. But if I'm doing a wedding, an event for somebody, then I really make sure I bring a really good eyeshadow primer so everything just sticks and stays. Oh. And this is just so couture. No, this isn't really couture. Because I really want to start playing around with looks to create a couture, avant-garde. My take on these type of looks to build my portfolio, because I want to be signed on by an agency to do more professional work, which is going to take some time. But go big or go home. Go after your dreams, people. Because if your dreams don't scare you, then they ain't big enough. Because look at that. Oh, and the symmetry has to be right for this look. Oh, I'm so hungry. Just got back from the, no, not back from the gym, but was at the gym a while ago. Let me go back in with my finger and just really emphasize this again. Oh, God. And kind of just do a little bit like whatever's left over and just kind of bring that up into the crease and a little bit onto the brow bone so you have that fluid flow. Oh, is this it? Let me go in with more of this just right there. This, I don't know, just reminds me of cotton candy. This color combination, this little story going on with these, that, and that it just gets me in the mood for cotton candy. I don't know why. But I think for the most part, we are done with this look. But let me go ahead and keep blending it out, this Xtreme Black, to what I want, and then we will be right back. All right, so here we are. I just went ahead and did the Dark Star mascara. Let me add another layer. So I definitely think the next couple or a few tutorials will definitely be more about layering those astral shades to see what kind of depth and dimension and what kind of other story this palette really starts to take us. And of course, this is natural lighting that I always do my videos in. So got like a light roof there. So let me go and actually turn off the ring light as well. So this is just natural lighting, literally. Boom. There she is. She's cute. She's adorbs. She's thriving. So, oh. I mean, boom, drama. Gotta love the drama. And I feel like with Pat McGrath, there's a lot of drama with a lot of palettes. Although the Love Collection was a little subtle. Definitely more for the getting into the brand, slowly bringing people in. But these first three motherships definitely was such a beautiful color story. The Subversive, I think out of the first three, is definitely more of a editorial. Definitely those who love to play with color, who aren't afraid of color, but also if you were interested in getting into color. I think this one out of the first two was definitely more of that aspect. The bronze, not the bronze, subliminal also kind of reminded me more of like that neutral everyday, almost like Dolce & Gabbana kind of, because I know she did quite a few looks for Dolce & Gabbana's runway looks, and it kind of reminded me more of that, like more of the bronze, the greens, the emeralds, that gold, and the very, what I would say, basic. This definitely seems a little bit more avant-garde and something to just really play around with. And if you really want to make a statement, girl, this is the palette for you. Bronze Seduction, classic. That is still high on my list to get Bronze Seduction. But also, the Subliminal is also still very high on my list to get. But I do think Pout really does come out with, by the way, that's the primer for Pat McGrath. Really allows you to do every day, but yet that fun editorial kind of look to really play around with color and to not be afraid to play with color. So, anyways, a little off topic. But that is what I love about editorial, and that's what I love about runway, the couture, the avant-garde, the chemistry, and then the balance between the hair, the makeup, the whole outfit, and then the whole mood, and then it's just so much fun. It is just so much fun because the makeup really has to coincide with the look, but also the mood. It's not about just slapping everything on the face, because if it's more focused on the hair, or more focused on the couture of the outfit, then you really want that makeup to just be a little bit more pulled back. But yet with these pops of like a red lip or a nude lip, and we're focusing on this, and there has to be that balance. And I think with these palettes, you really start to get that balance, and you start to get to see a little bit of the story of editorial walkway. You have your very subtle side, obviously. This side, I'd say D6 is more always the subtle, and this is really to amp it up, to really take you from the day at the office to let's go out, all out, legs up, balls to the wall, yeet. So let me go and do the rest of my face, and you guys will see the final look. I don't know what I want to do for blush yet. If I do Pat McGrath, I don't know. It's just so beautiful. This is just, I'll see you guys in a moment. Here we are with the final look. I mean, this is just so yummy on so many levels. Yeah, I mean, it's the final look. Let me actually go ahead and add a little bit more right into the corner. That iridescentness. That yummy gummy. That yummy gummy. Oh. This is just such a beautiful color another story. Oh my god. Yeah, so here we are, final look. I also went ahead and used, for blush, I actually used this one, which I believe what? Venetian, second to the last one. Venusian Peony as blush. And to bring a little bit more shape and sculpt to the face, I went in with the Sunstalker. What is this one? Sunstalker and Island Ting. Now for lips, I went ahead and did Charlotte Tilbury's Walk of No Shame and Pale Fire Nectar Opulous Gloss on top of that. So we definitely have a little bit more of that contrast going on with the lip, which is somewhat kind of bold, but yet with clashing with that. But overall, she's really cute. And that just on top of that gunmetal is actually really beautiful. It really brings out that blue. I guess it's more like almost like a violet. Blue violet almost. Oh, it's just so stunning. It's so stunning. But as usual, go ahead and go to my Instagram page to see the final edit, because I am definitely going to edit this out, that's for sure. Highlighter, I actually went ahead and used the Divine Rose. But then I went ahead and did that iridescent pink 003, I think that's what it's called. This one as well. And then I put that Venusian Peony on top. And this is the kind of look we got. And for brows, still Benefit Give Me Brow. Still going strong with that one. But love it. Tutorial number 7. Like I said, the next one we will do another layering aspect to see how well that Astral shade really plays well with a lot of things in there. But for the most part, yeah, I mean, drama for your mama. Oh, it's just so beautiful. You guys enjoy your day. Go to my Instagram page to see the final look and the close-upness of all of this drama. Like, I'm just really digging this. See you guys next video.